Hi, today I will show you the beauty of Pinsan Falls of Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. And sayang lang kasi yung time na pumunta kami dito is hindi po maganda yung tubig. Kulay brown po siya. Pero still, you can see the beauty of Pinsal Falls. Pinsal Falls is located at the far end of Santa Maria. It is a 1 hour drive from San Emilio to Santa Maria. Behind this largest waterfalls in Ilocos is a mythology of a giant named Angalo searching for his love, Aran. Yes po, there's a myth about Kinsal Falls. It is said that they were like a version of Adam and Eve in Ilocos and that Angalo passed by the mountains of Kinsal in search for his love, Aran. Kapag pumunta ka sa taas ng Pinsal Falls, may makikita kang isang parang malaking footprints and they believe that it was Angalo's footprints that locals calls as Tugot ni Angalo. Pinsal Falls is 85-foot waterfall of crystal clear fresh water pero sadly nung pumunta kami dito hindi po siya crystal clear. Pinsal Falls is also called Twin Falls because it reveals two cascading waters separated into two. Kapag gusto mo namang magbalsa or yung tinatawag nating bamboo raft, pwede mag-rent ka lang dito kasi meron sila. If you want to visit Pinsal Falls, better visit kapag hindi na tag-ulan para crystal clear yung water. Kasi this time, tag-ulan na po dito sa Ilocos. Kaya, ganyan po yung tubig. Kulay brown po siya.
Yan, naglibog tata.
Wow.